där. Bara har du varit här? Do you not have kids? Oh, okay.
No, I no husband, no.
That's the best though. Yeah? Free as a bird. Thank you. The culture shock. Have taken out someone. And then we're gonna buy some food. I don't know. What do you want, honest? Either something like this.
Because I have pizza here. I want pizza.
Yeah.
And then coffee
And then
because this looks.
bye,
I was
bitch.
thinking maybe stealing one.
Stealing?
No. Like just stealing one of these.
Stealing?
Straws,
Why
just
steal
straws.
again?
Because
Okay.
sometimes this is not stealing. Because
Yeah, it is.
One of these.
Yeah, it is. Oh,
There's
okay.
no
So there's no straws
here,
there.
So I have
No.
to, yeah.
Girl, I don't support.
This is
So yes.
part of ingen on. It's so many baddies at the store.
Cars about to come, let's get in. We've done waiting, rolling windows down, sunrise sky, London's empty. Open up your phone, order more vibes, amazing. You know where to go, what you miss, cause you're lazy. Open up your phone, cause you know getting hazy. Answer to my call, FaceTime us, smiley wasted. Calm, there's no loss, only boy that you had sex with. Order up the girls, pick them up, let's like crazy. Yeah, where's your phone? Dealer's down, he ain't patient. Bitch, you gotta go, he ain't down, he got places to go. On the way, all the miss on the way now. He doesn't want to stay, but his lover makes him wait up. He's not having fun, he's his own feel amazing. What about that girl in the bar that she says now? Savvy friend of one girl, full of people you don't even know. Full of your friends that you miss and you hardly see no more. Always on my way, far away, far away. Now time's running away, but away, but I have fun. No other way, I'm just way now.
Yeah, I was just eating here at this restaurant called Ave Mario. I rate it. What do you rate yours? From the mountains. I rate mine. What from the mountains? Was that a inside joke or something?
I got like nauseous because of all the.
Yeah, or it was like a little bit too much, maybe.
A bit too much, but I ate it all.
Yeah.
Everything goes in a pig. I even scrapped this.
Scrap.
Thing.
Like that crunch.
Okay, now we're home.
I've just been at uni.
We're gonna go out tonight with Maria's friend. It's gonna be fun.
Bottomless marks.
Yeah? Why like that? Like, because it Dana have no pants.
No.
Bottomless as in bottomless opportunities. Yeah, like uendelig med. Because, but why is it called bottomless? Because the margarita is bottomless, like you can drink as much as you want. You know? Bottomless, yeah.
We bought Brewdog, Hazy Jane.
Why? Why would I straighten it when I have this? Like, I can make up my mind now. I straightened it.
What's the first one?
Pop a can on the buzz. You see like how my energy changes when I straighten my hair? It's more like this. Going to the 18th floor.
Oh yeah.
What I
What do
rate
you
the
rate
beer?
Hazy Jane by Brewdog. Well, I think it was okay.
I was kind of vlogging now. Guys, it's like 3 people. Literally.
lights on, bro.
Turn the lights on, bro.
Where's he from?
Norway.
Bro, turn the lights on, man. You know?
I get starstruck off the taxis. Tired. Some. Tired, but I think you were really pretty. And Sako is. She's not home, guys. I'm sorry. Tag though. Det går fint. Hva er det som skjer, Snorre? Du holder på meg, Snorre. Hallo, Alex. Hva går?
Holy fuck. Look what I'm on my phone. Hey you. Hey, what's up? It's currently 10:18 and it's sunny. This is gonna be a good day. He's still a baddie.
Okay.
It's too much. We already did. Look how pretty.
I just did it.
Nice one, man.
We're buying these. These are not these. When did you? Cold. Outfit change because I was cold.
And shoe change.
A ring. We bought the ring.
And my gem. So we could try to
Yeah.
find somewhere we can meet.
For fun. Me.
Because now we have just been shopping and walking all day. We're really tired, but we need adrenaline, as you remember from our last vlog. And when we travel together, we need adrenaline, right?
Yeah. So. So good. Girl, what are we gonna do now? We need to do something before I'm losing my shit. Now we've done stuff that does not spark off tummy. And then we need to, what's it called? Just talk to humans. I don't know.
It gets lonely in here, you know?
Yeah. Even though we're together.
Most people probably think.
Hey. Are you buying it?
Ja. Jelly bean or something.
Okay.
Det var så godt innhold. Let's have a haul. Okay, I was at the Nothing Hill bookstore.
Nothing Hill.
Isn't it that? Yeah.
Nothing. Ikke nothing.
Du ikke det? Jo, jeg vil ikke sikkert inn i øyet. Det var noe som vi sa
I've been
det
at the
som...
Nothing Hill.
Som... Whatever.
Okay, anyway.
This is to a special friend of mine. I'm just
A
a girl
girl
standing in front of a boy asking him to love her. And then the art of marriage, because one day I will get married. And then a bedtime story.
Yeah, we were at the Notting Hill market. So I bought 2 rings.
Oh yeah.
This one. Okay. Just many spikes. Like move it. So for those 2, I paid £25.
That's
I don't
a
know.
good.
Is it a good deal?
I think so.
Yeah,
Because
I
I bought
would say so.
25 for mine.
Yeah, those are sick. You don't have kids. Oh, okay.
No wife, no husband, no.
That's
No.
the best though. The Philippines?
Yes,
Where?
in Manila. And you?
My mom is from Butuan.
Okay, I'm supposed to go inside Maria's school, but I don't know if I am tough enough. But I'm gonna be in her class. Yeah. This is inside Holt, guys. If you wonder. Guys, I didn't come in. Now she's pretending like she's talking to me. I didn't come in, fuck. Well, well.
Shorty wanna ball with the ting. Money sitting tall, y'all mean. Shorty wanna kick it with the team.
I just said like, make it how you like it. So he put all the spicy shit, but I love spicy. Okay guys, trip is once again coming towards an end. Wow.
See you though. Going back in February. Maybe I can stay at yours with my boots. Yeah, your boots.
Okay.
Just tell me what's
All right,
left.
I'll end the vlog here. Thank you
Bye,
for
guys.
watching.